Congratulations to all the cast and crew of the musical Zoosicle at Sir Will on their amazing performance.
Hey Emily, what's your favorite kind of jam?
Strawberry, how about you?
That used to be mine, but now it's Design Jam. Let's go check out why.
Thanks guys, I'm here at the Algonquin College Social Innovation Lab, where Merivale HISM students are taking part in a design challenge. Let's go check it out.
My name is Jed Looker and I teach in the graphic design program. What we're doing today is we have Merivale High School in. These are grade 11 and 12 students who have come in here today for a design thinking workshop. We're going to be examining the high school experience, and we're going to be looking for problems or frustrations that students might have in the high school experience.
My name is Sebatu Soare. I'm from the SHISM group at Merivale High School, and right now we're at Algonquin College and we're doing this sort of design workshop.
Hi, I'm Irv Oster. I'm the Department Head of Fine Arts at Merivale High School. This event is an introduction for my students to the graphic design program at Algonquin College. I think the coordinator, Jed Looker, has done an outstanding job, has painted them into corners that they wouldn't normally have to paint themselves out of. He's got them working in small groups. Often, some of these students are friends, others are coming from different parts of the schools.
Probably one of my favorite parts about today was getting to work with new people, because I'm in grade 12 and so I don't usually interact with the younger grades as much at school. They're all amazing, so it's good to be able to talk to other people.
The kinds of activities that we do, they're very, very hands-on. We're very engaged. It's very messy on purpose. And we like to get a lot of ideas out of that. We boil them down into something that we would say is quality. So I like to say a lot that in this kind of process we start with quantity and we boil it down to quality.
I like this one. Yeah. I think it's very accurate.
I think right now the world is in need of some really good problem solvers. I think there's a lot of demand in this town, and so this is preparing students for a job in design. I'm always surprised when I run workshops like this with working with high school students how incredibly creative and innovative they are. Today the students from Merivale High School, they're engaged, they're super excited. It's been very, very fun to work with them.
I've always been interested in art, and graphic design is definitely it has a lot of art in it. When I heard of graphic design, I was like, so I can there's a program for designing and I get to draw, but it's also more business related. Something I could take away from today is definitely how to make logos quickly, and how to come up with concepts just back to back to back, and to have a good solid final concept.
What I would like these students to take away is an understanding that before you do anything at all, put yourself in someone else's shoes to understand their problems, and I think that that's going to lead to a much stronger solution. How about you guys?
I did the SHISM program at Merivale High School when it was still around. And that was my first introduction to what graphic design was. Merivale was offering this program that was unique, and it was the only design opportunity in high school. I learned so much about graphic design. I had no idea what graphic design was before going into it. So after that program, I was like, yes, this is what I want to do. And then I applied at Algonquin, and here I am, 3 weeks away from finishing classes, about to graduate, and really happy about my career path. It was really fun to see Irv and students that were in the position that I was in. I can really see that they have an eye for design already, and I'm really glad that that's still happening. Students have a lot of potential, and I'm sure a lot of them will end up going in a design direction. It's really fun. I feel like helping them is, I'm seeing my skills kind of come full circle, and I'm realizing all the things I've learned, and it's nice to see.
this kind of experience is invaluable for them. They see what it's like to live as an Algonquin student, even eating in the Algonquin cafeteria. It's been a really remarkable experience for my kids.
That's all from us. We had an amazing time here at the Algonquin College Social Innovation Lab, and I'm sure that the Merivale students did as well. I'm excited to see how they use their newfound skills in their futures. Now back to the hosts.